Find the diameter ratio of an engine which has Mach number of 0.7. Consider isentropic flow. A 1.045. B 2.045. C 3.45. D 5.64. The correct answer is 1.045. Typical fighter is designed to operate at high angle of attack. Estimate the range of required boundary layer diverter thickness if fuselage length in front of the inlet is 10 unit. A 0.1 unit to 0.3 unit. B 0.01 unit to 0.09 unit. C 0.8 unit. D 2.34 to 3.24 unit. The correct answer is 0.1 unit to 0.3 unit. Which of the following is an example of boundary layer diverter? A. Boundary layer bypass duct. B. Fuselage fineness ratio. C. Thrust loading. D. Power loading curve. The correct answer is boundary layer bypass duct. Which of the following will use suction to divert the boundary layer? A. Boundary layer suction. B. Step diverter. C. Thrust loading. D. Power loading curve. The correct answer is boundary layer suction. Which of the following is not an inlet location? A. Side inlet location of buried engine. B. Tail root location. C. Lofting. D. Chin buried engine. The correct answer is side inlet location of buried engine. Which of the following is an incorrect example for BL diverter? A. Step diverter. B. Boundary layer bypass duct. C. Boundary layer suction. D. Flap. The correct answer is step diverter.